Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and today I'm here to teach you a interesting story about a girl whose name is Lysandra. She came from the another country and she's sitting in another countries, and she's very excited about the first school that where she's going. She's wearing the red skirt and white shirt, and she's putting the bag on his back. And then after and then neighbor are talking outside, and she's saying that hello to the neighbors. That was also very ordinary because she came from the another country, and the neighbors also don't know herself. And like that, in her house the grandmother, she was cooking the food, and that smelled very wonderful. And her cousin Raman and Xavier, they both are going, they're taking the tube for swimming, and they're going for the fishing. In fact, the grandmother and the aunt Angelina, they came from the grocery shops. In fact, they had got their ration book also, so that any groceries and any another, if another people are there, they cannot give him take the extra money from himself. So that's why they have taken the official document, so that one of purchases a fixed amount of cloth, foods, or another things that the things give. So that's why that the aunt Angelina, she take yogurt from the, she has bring yogurt for the Lysandra. And then after the groceries month, then that was also very ordinary. After that, her mother and father came from the work, and they hugged Lysandra, and they they start a music. And then after, they cook together, they laugh together, and they talk together also. And then after, they ate dinner with the family at the table, and that was also ordinary. In fact, it feels very special, very something special, that we are spending time with our families. So it feels very very special, it feels happy. If we are sad also, after spending time with families, it feels happy also. Then after see that what happened, that Lysandra put on her ballet clothes. Ballets is just like a classical dance form that is performed on the top of the toes. Like, see, here it is like a shoes. With the help of these shoes, we are dancing on the top of our toes. I think you guys have watched on the television also that it is a ballet dance. So she just put the ballet dress, ballet clothes, and her family dressed up. And in fact, her families had dressed up also. Just family get ready, had ready to herself, and they were going to her first dance performance. In fact, all family are very excited because they are going to Lysandra first dance, where she is taking the part of dance competitions is there at the school, in school. And then she is taken the dance in ballet class. Like, also suppose in our school also, suppose we are excited, annual functions came, then all the students are exciting that they will decide that they will take this dance. And then after, they dress up like that, the song which they have chosen. And then after, the family members has came, they enjoyed a lot in the annual function. So like that also here, Lysandra, she's just she's dressing herself like a ballet. And then after, all family members are excited because her first dance is there in another countries. And then after, she had started ballet lesson 6 months ago. In fact, she had started the ballet class also 6 months ago. Then, as they left the house, a neighbor called, "We will see you dancing, Lysandra." Then after, when she leaving the house, then her neighbor called that, "We will see you dancing, Lysandra." The neighbors were coming too. In fact, the neighbors also, they are coming to the school to watch the dance of Lysandra. She was all tickling and happy. She was very feel as one of has been poked lightly and many needles. And in fact, she feel very happy that neighbor also coming to watch my dancing. Suppose like I'm dancing in my school, then if my neighbor will come, then I feel very special. And in fact, I feel very happy that neighbor is also coming and supporting me to dance. So that also Lysandra feel very happy on that time. And as they walked to the center, Daddy smiled down at her. And then after they are talking, then daddy, they just smiled past, smiling, he just passed to the Lysandra. Sometimes life was ordinary, sometimes it was exciting. Lysandra liked all of it. In fact, sometimes our life is like difficult, and sometimes it was exciting, but Lysandra liked all of it. Like in our life also, life sometimes it is very difficult and sometimes it was very exciting. Like suppose that for the students, if examination is there, then it is very extra ordinary. You feel very sad that oh, examination is there, very pressure is there, that pressure from the parent side, pressure from the teacher side, that you have to become, you just bring the good numbers, that you should have to pass out in every subject. So it is pressure in your mind, and and sometimes it was very exciting and it feel very good that no examination is there. So like here in our life, sometimes it's feel we have, sometimes it's happy and sometimes it's sad. So we have to maintain both all things, and we have to face all the situations. And yeah, that's it only. And in this chapter, from this chapter, we can see that she's the girl and she's very happy. In fact, she's like that she's facing all the difficulties, if it is difficult or if it is happy, she's facing all the time. So like in our life also, sometimes it's happy, sometimes it's sad, sometimes it's very difficult, that sometimes we want to go outside. So but we have to face that all the problem, and we have to come out from these all problems. Yeah, only that much. And I hope you guys understood the chapter, and I will give you word so that you can find out their meaning from the dictionary related from this chapter. And I hope you guys understood the chapter. If you don't understood the chapter, please you just listen these all videos at least 2 times 3 times, maybe after that you got the all, you just understood the chapter. And whenever the school will open again, I will ask the characters and all these chapters, and you have to explain in summary short stories. Yeah, only that much. And for homework, you just watch the next videos, and you have to do that homework in your course copy. Thank you and have a nice day. And for word, you just watch the next videos.